Well, if not everyone has a Spotify account or the Spotify app, but wherever you listen to podcasts, you also want to listen to, even if it's on YouTube, just the audio, having it playing in the background. But look up different personal development speakers, and it doesn't matter who they are, as long as it's going to be able to give you the inspiration that you're looking for your 15 to 30 minutes or however long you can, get that in. It's super vital because after 90 days of doing that on a consistent basis, your subconscious will change. And
Mhm.
that's the objective. You want it to change. I
Yeah.
remember true story. There's this gentleman, he's passed away now. He's a business owner. And I've heard you mention the company probably two or three times in several different episodes in past. And this individual, when he started his business, it was crazy because we're going back all the way to cassette tapes.
Who,
Every day he
who is it? Who is it? Because I
I'm
know.
gonna get I'm gonna get to it, but no one probably knows his name. I know him and I've met him in person. But he's built a very, very large network of attorneys. Okay. But what he would do every day, even in the days of his success, even in the days when he was like when the company has been not only been made known all over the world or in the United States and Canada, but is a publicly traded company which will make it worldwide. He would still listen to the same cassette tape of personal development about keeping his mind sharp, right? I don't remember what the tape was, but so many people have rode in his car and they were like, Harlan, you still listening to that? And he was like, yeah, this is how I get through my personal development for the day. And this cassette tape was very old. His name was Harlan C. Stone Cipher, and he was the founder of Prepaid Legal Services, now known as Legal Shield. He's
Hmm.
been dead years now, but this is someone that I got to see in person, and he would talk about that personal development. It just stuck with me all these years. We're talking like over 20 years now.
Hmm.
So I say that to say I plant that avocado seed. That's a big seed, meaning the more personal development you take in now, it'll feed you in your future, no matter what it is, business or not. You got to have it going into you every day because if you don't, that negativity starts to set in, that negative news starts to set in, and you change. It can change how you notarize in a year
Hmm.
because you skip too many days, right?
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
yeah.
I agree. I do. I do. I do a lot of Jeffrey. He'll tell you I'm all day long. I'm listening to this rah rah stuff, and like you said, I don't capture all of it. But if I listen to 10
Hmm.
people, I get 1 point from each one. Or you don't know. Once it get in there, it's in there. So you don't know
Yes.
how it's going to come out later.
Hmm.
So yeah, but feel free. So for me, so we can all walk away with a point. If you guys see something that's motivating to you, feel free to drop it in there. That'll take us to our next little point here on how to use our new community, what we're gonna do to simplify it. But yeah, if you see
Hmm.
something motivation, because I used to do like a motivation Monday tip. Not every I wasn't consistent with it. Just being transparent over here, but we would put it out um on social media, just wherever.
Hmm.
A Monday motivational tip, and those people love those tips. Those are actually some of my actually higher ranking things that I put out with posts. People love those little motivational tips. So yeah, I love it. I love it. So if you guys come out with something, you like Mike is saying, you go, come across something, drop it in there. Mike, don't hesitate if you see something. We'll always keep
Oh, I
things
will.
religiously neutral, politically neutral, all that kind of stuff. If you notice, we don't do any of that here because whatever you believe, whatever you do, that's your business. All we talk is notary, and like Mike is saying, I don't mind motivational stuff, but we're gonna make sure we're always respectful to each other. But yeah, if it's just something generic, please drop it in there. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
feel free. Feel free. Okay. And the last thing, thank you for sharing that too, because a lot of it do start up here. Some of us are just naturally born with go-getter spirit, like I got this. Some of us have to really work hard to get out of our
Mhm.
comfort zone.
Yes.
And that's like 95% of the people.
Yep.
The majority are not wired like I'm gonna just get out here and talk to people. No, the majority are not. So I really, really appreciate and respect personal development. Yeah. And it's definitely helped me. I'm doing stuff. I'm naturally bent that way, like loud and in the middle of stuff. That's just how I am. But the different things like Mike is talking about that I listen to helps to kind of refine that and take it next level.
And to
Mike,
be honest with you,
uh-huh.
huh? Go ahead.
Go ahead.
I was going to say, to be honest, when I first found your podcast, I found the podcast. I didn't find necessarily YouTube. I found the podcast when I was looking up just whatever I can find that had anything to do with notaries. And your channel had the absolute most, the largest catalog is what I call it. And so for months, even before I got back on my hardcore personal development, you were it because you're the personality that you walk in naturally, just the way you teach, the way you speak about these different notary scenarios and the stories, especially with Angela and Alexis and the few episodes where Jeffrey's been on. Like you have been for months, and I'm talking about over 12 months ago. For several months, I would just listen to anywhere from 1 to 3 or 4 episodes a day, just trying to
Wow.
catch
Wow.
up. Like seriously, trying to catch up. I can't catch up because you keep making episodes, and that's the good thing, right?
Yes.
So the personal development was your podcast for the longest run, and then I started incorporating other things, other speakers that I knew about. So hey, Jeff,
Wow.
pleasure to meet you too, sir.
Yeah. Wow. That's incredible.
I don't
Absolutely.
think he
Incredible.
even heard you, Jeff. He was saying it's a pleasure to meet you.
No, no, no. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Your thing fell
Okay,
out.
yeah, same. Yeah, okay, yeah. I was listening to my other one. Yeah, but same here. Nice to meet you too, Mr. Mike, and appreciate it. Yeah, appreciate all the excellent, excellent. That's when we first started this. Told Kim, I said, just be yourself. You don't have to try to be different. Others may be doing one way or something, but just be who you are. And so, thank you for that. That's excellent. That just
it,
show. Yeah.
it worked.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Mike. I appreciate it. I really do. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. So the last piece, guys, again, that was motivational right there. You need to be in my creators club too, because you can drop some knowledge over there.
I did
I'm
see that. Okay.
gonna share that with y'all. I'm gonna share that with y'all closer to the date. Anyway, so the last thing is how we're gonna be using Kajabi. So we did a little poll earlier. We took the poll down because the consensus was pretty much the same. So the question was, we had started like a New York group, California group, and all this and all that. But it's not the same feeling to me as it was when we were in GroupMe. So, and then like today we had, yeah, Miss Donna saying the same thing. So today we had an incident where someone put something over in their state and they actually had an assignment. So remember the little help button. If you actually have a job, if you're preparing for something and you're trying to get ready, put that question there so we can make sure you are still prepared for your assignment. So you'll see, I don't know if you can actually look at your phones right quick, but you have that little help. That's where if you have, it says help/signing. Yeah, Shakira did answer. She did answer that. But I actually ended up calling the person because I wanted to make sure they were okay. And fortunately, I did call them because there was a little error there that needed to be corrected. So again, so we're getting rid of all of those states and like California and all the separation. We're just gonna go back to the one post feature for now. And then so you have 3 little buttons there. Should be the schedule of the events, like that's our scheduled workshops. If you look, you see the scheduled workshops. Then the next one is where you can generically post your motivation, your successes, whatever it is, can go there, just generic posting like we did on GroupMe. And then the last piece is that little help feature. So that's actually if you're at an assignment, stuck on an assignment, or something like that, because I want to make sure we get those assignments corrected again, like we were saying earlier, before the error goes to the signing company. Let's make the mistake over here with the family, okay? All right, well, that's all I got for you. Is that all kind of clear? All right. And then everybody, we want to thank you for what you contributed. And was there anything else anyone else wanted to add? Nope. Okay.
Thank you for all that you do.
Okay, it's our pleasure. And thank you guys for letting us do it together. We do it together. Donna Mac, please.
I got a question. I got kind of confused.
are our meetings next for January on Monday or Tuesday? Because it seemed like I got something that's saying Monday the 5th, and then something was Tuesday the 6th. So I'm not 100% sure. So I'm trying to make sure.
I'm just gonna put that right quick too.
Everything's showing on Monday. I'm looking at the upcoming for January the 5th, January the 12th,
Yeah, so go
19th,
into
and the
your
26th.
calendar. Go into your calendar, and it should all say, know what you might be referring to, Donna, is I was doing a test on something and it changed the date.
That might be, yeah, okay. I thank you, because I'm like thinking, I know I'm not crazy. I'm like, which one?
Yeah.
So it is on Monday.
Yeah, I was trying to be what I call more efficient. So it was one of them. I was trying to redo the date, like from a previous one, and it actually showed it as being canceled, and it put it. That's what you're talking about.
Okay.
Yeah, so I won't do that again.
Okay, no, that's okay. I mean, look, as long as I know what day it is.
Yeah, so we're gonna continue with the Mondays for next for the foreseeable future. If we can't do a Monday for some reason on our end, you'll see it. But for now, Mondays at 7 will be our scheduled time.
Works for me.
All righty. Well, guys, on behalf of Notary Educators, again, I want to tell everyone thank you so much for allowing us to walk this journey with you. Much success in 26. Enjoy your families. Be kind to yourself. Talk to yourself, like Mr. Mike is saying. You can do it. You got this, and we got you. Okay, Jeffrey, did you want to end with anything?
Just thank you everyone for being here this evening, and we appreciate all of your efforts, and hopefully by the different steps and improvements that we try to make between myself, Kimmi, Alexis, that and all the other members here, that it's making a difference for you, a little bit by little, changing your life, giving you opportunities to care for yourself and for your family. So we appreciate it. And we'll see you on the other side in the next few days. We'll be in a whole nother year. We'll keep this train going.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
Alexis is also saying thank you. She couldn't join us on camera or anything today because she was just running late, but she thanks everyone too for allowing us to assist you in your journeys. Okay. All right, guys. Well, we'll see everyone next week. Okay. Or over in the chat. So pay attention to those lives too, because you may not get, I think you should get a notification, but I will be doing those little pop-up sessions. Okay. Because I like to do that too, because I think Monday to Monday for me seemed kind of long for us not to talk. So
right.
So I like them little pop-ups. I'm like, what y'all got going on out there? Okay. So join us if you can. All right.
All righty.
All right. Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Our pleasure. Good night.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night.